telling you about. First of all, you need to invest in a vacuum sealer or a cryovac machine. It just extends the food of the life by removing the oxygen, which stops decay. So, best way to save money is don't let your food rot. Next is shop for your meat first thing in the morning. Get up early and go to the store when they open, because that's when they mark things down from the day before. Anything that's ground, they want to keep it looking fresh and beautiful. It doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, it just means it's not as pretty as some of the others, if you can tolerate that. But get to know your butcher, and I'll bet you can get some good deals. And then, of course, buy in bulk when appropriate, but use restraint. I'm pretty pretty well known for buying too much, so I have to be careful. But this 10-pound box of bacon was too much for me to pass up at $30. So that's how I justified the purchase. And I had these videos that I wanted to make. So by sharing that with you and then making sure I do use all of those ingredients,